Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to backup messages on WhatsApp. So for this, let's open our WhatsApp app. Once the app is open, now you need to click on the top right corner on these three dots and go to settings. Now here you need to click on chats. Now here we have this option of chats backup. Click on it. From here you can change the setting. If you want to include videos, then you can enable it, and if you want backup using cellular, you can enable this too. Now there we have this option of backup. Click on it and it will start backup. Here it will take few minutes and then a folder created naming as backing up messages. So in this way you can backup messages from WhatsApp. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching. Bye.